Hi, Jenny here. Today we are going to make some low-carb chocolate peanut butter fudge. Let's get started. For this recipe we are going to use 1 cup of chocolate chips, 1 cup of peanut butter, 1/8 teaspoon of stevia, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and 1/4 teaspoon sea salt. Alright, first we are going to measure out 1 cup of chocolate chips and we are going to melt those in the pan on low heat on the stovetop. While that's melting, you can measure out your 1 cup of peanut butter, which I already have done, and then we can add that in. Now we're just going to put this in a 8x8 square pan, and then you're going to put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours to let it set, and then you can enjoy. Pretty fast and simple. I've also seen that people have used honey for a sweetener instead of the stevia, so we're going to make one more batch and we're going to try it with that and see which one that we like better. So we're still going to have our 1 cup of chocolate chips. And I'm actually going to melt that together with my peanut butter. 1 cup of peanut butter. I'll remove that from the heat, and again we're going to add our 1 tablespoon of vanilla, quarter teaspoon of the sea salt, and then a tablespoon of honey. And same thing, then mix it all up real well and pour it in your pan. This time I'm going to use a loaf pan. That way I'll know which one too is which honey, which fudge is which fudge, which one has the honey in it. There we go. I'm going to throw it in the fridge for another 2 hours, and we'll taste both of them when they come out. See you then. Alrighty, the fudges are all set. They've been in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Now we are going to cut them and see how it goes. Alright, I'm going to taste my snack. They both have the same consistency right now. They're both still kind of soft, so I think they need to be refrigerated a little bit longer. But I have the one sweetened with the stevia and one with the honey. So we'll see if I can tell by taste. That's good. And they both taste very delicious. I'm going to finish my snack. I will put the recipe for this down in the description below. You guys let me know in the comments below what your favorite type of fudge is. If you want to see another video from me, you can click up there. If you want to subscribe to me, click down there. In the meantime, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. Tastes good already.